This is exactly how to fix your keyboard keys not working on your PlayStation 5. So this is how I myself was able to fix it. Basically, firstly, we need to make sure that the keyboard here is connected securely to our PlayStation 5. So make sure that the cable here isn't loose or anything like that. And if it's not, then actually we need to basically remove it, and then we're gonna reconnect it once again. So sometimes this a little bit stupid fix can fix this problem completely for us. But if it still isn't working for you, which you can see here, it says that it was connected here before. But yeah, if it still isn't working for you, it might be because you need to enter BIOS mode on your specific keyboard. It is a little bit different which type of keyboard that you actually have, but for mechanical keyboards, quite often it's going to be this Windows button here and the FN button that you need to hold them at the exact same time for like 5 seconds. Just hold them for 5 seconds, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and quite often this will automatically enter your keyboard into BIOS mode, and then try once again and see if that can also fix this issue for you.